Hello, my name is Gary and I want to thank you for joining me today. We'll take a few minutes and learn how to do something together. Always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. With that said, let's take a few minutes and learn how to stake Altura in the ALU BNB liquidity pool using iPhone. Alright, for this we are going to need a wallet with Altura tokens and Smart Chain BNB. And we will use Google Chrome browser. It's important to always keep a few dollars of Smart Chain BNB in your wallet so you can pay for network fees for staking, unstaking, or swapping on decentralized exchange platforms. So whatever you do, just don't leave yourself with a zero balance of Smart Chain BNB, unless you can easily transfer in more. If you're not at this step yet, check out my other videos on how to set up a Trust Wallet and how to buy Altura on Trust Wallet using PancakeSwap. First, we will go get Google Chrome browser from the App Store if you don't already have it. Head to the App Store, search for Chrome, tap on Get. Now that you have all the apps you need, we're going to get started. First thing we're going to do is head to Google Chrome, and we want to go to PancakeSwap. The URL is pancakeswap.finance. On the top right corner, tap on Connect Wallet. Then tap on Wallet Connect. Then tap on Trust. You will be automatically brought back over to your Trust wallet. Wait for this pop-up and tap on Connect. Now you manually switch back over to Chrome browser. Alright, now we're connected. We can see the Connect button went away. It's got a little wallet here, and you can see your wallet address here. Now what we want to do is we want to exchange our Smart Chain BNB and Altura tokens for liquidity pool tokens. So in PancakeSwap, go to the hamburger menu, tap on Trade, and go to Liquidity. Then we'll tap on Add Liquidity. First thing we'll do is tap Select a currency. And first we'll put in Altura. If you don't see Altura in this list, what you want to do next is go over and copy the contract address for Altura token. And you can find that in the description for this video. So you'll paste that in here. Hit return. Done. And you'll see the logo ALU Altura and tap import. Check off I understand and tap import. Alright, now we want to select a second currency, which is going to be BNB. The pancakes will flip. Now we want to choose how much we're going to stake. And it's going to be an equal amount in terms of dollars. So I will tap on Max beside Altura, which is going to be 25.24, and I'll use 0.03 of my BNB. All right, let's scroll down here, tap on Enable ALU. You'll be brought back automatically over to Trust Wallet. We'll get a smart contract call, tap Confirm, and now we manually go back over to Google Chrome. Wait a few moments. All right, the ALU is approved. Now we tap on Supply. You'll get a pop-up here. It's a good idea to screenshot this so you have a record of it, how many tokens you're going to get back, liquidity pool tokens, I'll talk more about that in a moment, and how much you're depositing, the rates, and the share of the pool. Tap on Confirm Supply. You'll be brought back over to Trust Wallet. Smart contract call, tap Confirm. And then we can manually go back over to Google Chrome. Tap on Close. All right, so now that we have exchanged for liquidity pool tokens, let's go back over to Trust Wallet and add a custom token. So in the top right corner, tap on the switches, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Add Custom Token, tap on Network, tap on Smart Chain, and then in the description of this video, you can find the contract address for the ALU BNB LP token. We'll paste this token in. It's called Pancake LPs. Save it. Tap Manage, tap Done. And now we will show that we have no ALU tokens in our wallet, but we have 6.3469 Cake LP tokens. So these are liquidity pool tokens that represent the Altura and the Smart Chain BNB that we just put into a liquidity pool. The next step here is to stake these tokens. So we want to go back over to Google Chrome, and this time we're going to go to staking.alturanft.com. Tap on Connect Wallet, tap on Wallet Connect, tap on Trust Wallet. You'll be brought back over into your Trust Wallet. Wait for the Confirm pop-up, tap on Connect. Now manually go back over to Google Chrome browser, and our wallet is connected. Now we'll scroll down to the first section here where it says ALU-BNB LP uses ALU.staking. Tap on this box to expand it. And now we can see the 6.34699 whatever LP tokens in our wallet are shown here, but they're not staked yet. So we want to go down here to where it shows the balance and 0 in this slider, bring this up to 100% because we want to stake all of our tokens. Tap on Approve. We'll be brought back over to Trust Wallet, get the smart contract call, tap Confirm, and then manually go back over to Google Chrome. Wait a few moments, and the approval is done. Now we will tap on Deposit All. It'll bring us back over to Trust Wallet, tap on Confirm. We manually go back over to Chrome, wait a few moments, and it's done. Now we see down here it says deposited 6.346, etc. And we have successfully staked the Altura BNB liquidity pool tokens in this pool. Now to check up on your staking, you can come here at any time. You can see we've staked 6.346. We will earn at an interest rate of approximately 0.66% per day of these tokens. The tokens themselves can go up or down in value based on the value of BNB and the value of ALU, but we will earn interest on these tokens, and that interest will appear in the earning spot, and it will update a few times per day. Now let's head back over to Trust Wallet and refresh it. You'll see the balance of Pancake LPs now goes to 0. So we have 0 Cake LPs and we have 0 ALU. We're going to add another custom token here, and you don't have to do this, but I like to do this just to help me see it in my wallet. So let's head over to the description of the video, and this time we're going to copy the address for the Altura V1 ALU BNB token. Tap Copy, back to Trust Wallet, tap on the switches, scroll to the bottom, tap Add Custom Token, tap on Network, tap on Smart Chain, and paste. Tap on Save. Tap on Manage, tap on Done, and there we go. So now that we've added this token, we can see our balance, and this is the token that proves that we own the stake of the liquidity pool tokens in the Altura staking site. So you have to have these tokens in your wallet in order to withdraw your liquidity pool tokens from the staking site. So last but not least, we will show you how to unstake and how to convert your LP tokens back to Altura tokens and Smart Chain BNB. So let's go back over to Chrome and head over to staking.alturanft.com. Tap on the box here to expand this. Scroll down to the bottom where it shows deposited 6.346, etc. And we'll tap on withdraw all. We'll get brought back over to our Trust Wallet. Tap on confirm and then manually go back over to Chrome. Wait a few moments. Alright, so now our deposited balance is 0 and our balance is back in our wallet. If we head back over to Trust Wallet now and refresh, you'll see the receipt token goes down to 0 and the Cake LPs back to 6.34. So hopefully you waited longer than I did to withdraw your LP tokens and you earned some nice interest on them. The last step I will show you here is how to turn the LP tokens back into the Altura and BNB tokens. So head over to Google Chrome and head over to PancakeSwap. Tap on the hamburger menu in the top left corner, expand trade, tap on liquidity. It shows your liquidity, ALUBNB 6.34 tokens. Expand this box here and tap on remove. Tap on max. Tap on enable. You'll be automatically brought back over to Trust Wallet. You'll get a signature request and tap on confirm. And manually go back over to Google Chrome. Scroll down a bit and tap on remove. You will receive these amounts of these tokens. Tap on confirm. You'll be brought back over to Trust Wallet automatically. Wait for the smart contract call. Tap on confirm. Now we can go back over to Chrome. Transaction submitted. Tap on close. Wait a few moments. Looks like it's done. Transaction receipt. And it's all done. All right, now if we head back over to our Trust Wallet and refresh it, we will see our balance of Altura and Smart Chain are back, and our Cake LP tokens and our receipt staking tokens are at 0. So if you like what you saw, drop me a like, and if you have any comments or questions, please comment below and I'll reply as quick as I can. Cheers!